boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar, Bazzi, somewhere in between. Alright, this one will be a very quick one. We have a couple of chords to go over, 4 chords, and it goes pretty much in the same way. I'm going to explain soon how it goes. But yeah, it goes in the same way through the entire song. We're going to handle these chords with a capo set on the 3rd fret because that is the easiest way to go. Alright, so capo is needed, put it on 3rd, let's go over the chords. We're gonna start with G. Alright, so that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. And you're gonna play C next, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have A minor, and that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And the final chord is D. And that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Alright, so we need to learn the strumming pattern. And yeah, if you grab the G, it goes like this. Okay, so it's first down, clap. And then comes up, up, down, clap, down. So if you combine these two parts, it will be down, clap, up, up, down, clap, down. And a couple of rounds. Alright, so I mentioned it goes in the same way through the entire song. We're gonna play G1 and C1 strumming round. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds. So G1, C1, G1, C1. Then you switch to play A minor 1 and D1. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds. So A minor 1, D1, A minor 1, D1. And then you go back and just continue like that. G1, C1, G1, C1, A minor 1, D1, A minor 1, D1, G, C, G, C, A minor, D, A minor, D, and so on from the beginning till the very end. Okay, guys? So I'm gonna give you a couple of rounds and it goes like this. Now A minor. Back to G. And so on. Yeah, like I said, from the beginning till the very end in the same way. It pretty much is. This is Bazzi's Somewhere in Between. I hope you enjoyed it. And if it was helpful, please like this tutorial. And until next time, play tuned.